Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pay your car registration online in just a few clicks. It's that time of the year when the DMV sends you a notice to collect your payment, so this video is for California residents only. If you live in another state, make sure to check with your local DMV for their rules. So first, look at the renewal letter that you received in the mail. If you see a banner that says smog certification required, you need to visit a local smog check station first. So once your car passes, you can then pay online. If you don't see that banner, you can go ahead and pay right away. So you have here three ways to pay: by phone, by mail, or online. So today we're doing it online. Open your web browser and type www.dmv.ca.gov. You can also find this link on your renewal notice. So press enter. So click on vehicle registration, then click renew registration. And before you start, make sure you have your renewal notice with you and click renew now. Enter your license plate number and the last 5 digits of your VIN. You'll find both at the top of your renewal notice. Then click go to step 2. You'll also see your vehicle details and the amount that you need to pay. Make sure everything matches where you'll new Make sure everything matches your renewal notice. If something looks wrong, contact your local DMV. If everything is correct, click submit, then add to cart, and then pay now. On the checkout page, you can choose e-check or credit debit card. If you use a card, there is a 2.1% service fee. This fee can change, so keep that in mind. Select your payment method and click continue. You'll see the updated total with the service fee added. Click checkout, enter your card details, your name, and your billing zip code. Agree to the terms and click submit payment. So once your payment is processed, you'll see your receipt. Make sure to print it or choose the email option at the bottom of the page. Your new sticker and registration will arrive by mail within 5 to 7 business days. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.